Lay. Sir. Yeah. Yeah.
Kane is in the building, nigga.
Alright, Andrew, what's up, man?
The show goes on all night. Till the morning we dream so long. Anybody ever wonder when they would see the sun? Just remember when it comes up. The show goes on all right. Already the show goes on all night. Till the morning we dream so long. Anybody ever wonder when they would see the sun? Just remember when it comes up. The show goes on.
Have you ever had the feeling that you was being had? Don't that shit that make you mad? They treat you like a slave, put chains all on your soul and put whips up on your back. They be lying through they teeth, hope you slip up off your path. I don't switch up, I just laugh, put my kicks up on they desk, unaffected by they threats. Then get busy on they ass. See, that's how that Chi-Town made me. That's how my daddy raised me. That glittering may not be gold, don't let nobody play me. If you are my homeboy, you never have to pay me. Go and put your hands up when times is hard, you stand up. LUP the man, cause a brand that the fans trust. So even if they ban us, they'll never slow my plans up.
Already the show goes on all night till the morning.
Alright, man, so we're a little over halfway. How you doing? I'm ready. Alright, so you're not nervous at all, right? A little bit. Okay, me too. So, alright, how about that view today? Beautiful. Alright, man. Thumbs up? Yeah, I'm there.
Nobody going home, even if they turn the lights out, the show is going on. Alright.
Already the show goes on all night till the morning. We dream so long. Anybody ever wonder when they would see the sun? Just remember when it come up. The show goes on. Alright. Already the show goes on all night till the morning. We dream so long. Anybody ever wonder when they would see the sun? Just remember when it come up. The show goes on.
It's a special what's happening to all my soldiers over there in Iraq. Everybody right here. What you need to do is be thankful for the life you got, you know what I'm saying? Stop looking at what you ain't got, start being thankful for what you do got. Let's get it to him, baby girl. Hey!
That's right.
Fancy clothes, fancy cars, name you see. We're gonna go far, cause everyone knows who you are. So live your life. You steady dressing that paper, just live your life. Ain't got no time for no haters, just live your life.
Yeah, man! You just jumped out of an airplane. Oh, man. How cool was that? Look wide. Yeah, I know, right? High five. Woo! Sir. Beautiful day.
My life, just living my life. My life, my life, my life, just living my life.
Never mind what haters say, ignore them till they fade away. Amazing they ungrateful after all the game I gave away. Safe to say I paved the way for you cats to get paid today. Still be wasting days away now had I never saved the day. Consider them my protege, homage I think they should pay. Instead of being gracious, they violate in a major way. I never been a hater, still I love them in a crazy way. Some say they sold the yay and know they couldn't get work on Labor Day. It ain't that black and white, it has an area that's shaded gray.
Alright, Andrew, man, you just made it. Jumped out of an airplane.
Thank you so much.
Hey, no problem. Thank you very much. Welcome to Skydive Jersey.
Back to the hood, and all you ever did was take away. I pray for patience, but they make me wanna melt their face away. Like I once made them spray, now I can make them put the K's away. Been thugging all my life, can't say I don't deserve to take a break. You'd rather see me catch a case and watch my future fade away.